Structured interviews matter, not just for consistency, but to ensure candidates are evaluated on the right skills. In interviews, this structure is defined using interview templates. There are two types: screening templates for early stage filtering, and then in depth templates for deeper evaluations later in the process. Interviews comes with several pre-built templates, and the recruiters they can also create their own templates. In this video, I will walk through 4 templates, 2 for screening and 2 for in-depth interviews. Let's start with a screening template for the SEO consultant role. It begins with skill-based screening on key SEO areas consisting of on-page and off-page optimization, strategy, tool proficiency, and keyword research. Then comes the custom questions, like whether the candidate has worked with US-based companies and what are their compensation expectations. Finally, a professional assessment evaluate their critical thinking. The second screening template is for talent acquisition executive role. It opens with role-specific screening for recruitment, candidate sourcing, and ATS tools. Then comes a custom section on preferred work schedule and salary expectation. And this template ends with a time management assessment under professional skills. Once a candidate passes screening, the goal shifts. Now it's time to go deeper. Here are in-depth template for a senior React engineer role. It starts with a professional assessment focused on team and customer management. Then it moves into technical evaluations on JavaScript, TypeScript, React, and CSS, each with defined complexity, topics, and also question numbers. Lastly, there is an advanced problem-solving assessment in JavaScript. The final template is for an entry-level Python developer. This one emphasizes learning mindset and core fundamentals. It begins with structured assessments on topics like data structures, algorithms, Python, OOP, and databases. Next is an analytical assessment, followed by a beginner-level programming task. Templates give recruiters a strong starting point that can be customized based on the role, the stage, and the signal they want to capture. It keeps the interviews focused, fair, and structured. This makes the hiring both faster and smarter.